Hey guys, welcome back to Garage Works. We got the Trailfire 440 back in the garage. Today we're going to be installing these new handlebars I got. And I also found some 2-inch risers on eBay. These were open box, so I got these discounted. And then I got some grips, and the grips and the bars came from Dennis Kirk. So first step, we'll get these old bars off of here. So there's this center decal here. I don't know if it needed to be taken off or not, but I just peeled it off. It was just like some two-sided tape holding it on. And then there's some nuts at the bottom here. Looks like they're about 7/16 or so. So we'll go ahead and take them off. Alright, got the bars loosened from the stem here. And now for the controls, there's just a set screw here on the bottom. And you don't need to take it all the way out, just loosen it up. And then we'll take this grip off. And there's the throttle. And set screw on this one. And there's the old ones are off. Okay. Now, these risers will go in like this. Just like that. Okay, so these will just be in here like this. So I'll just go ahead and tighten these nuts up. Alright, the new bars are on. Turned out pretty good. Got the new grips on. One thing here, this brake line's a little tight, so I'm gonna have to get a longer brake line for it. And then these all the rest of the cables looked okay. There should be enough room here. And then since I disconnect, or I'm not using the oil injection anymore, I took this line out of this block here, so I'm not pulling on the oil injection pump anymore, since this is running pre-mix now. So that freed up some room so that this cable, the throttle cable, wasn't tight. So yeah, then sitting on it, you know, it's got pretty nice feel to it. And now I am going to put this tether switch on. So got the key here, so this is going to go where the key is now. And this plug just plugged into it here. So what I'll do is I'll just put a couple connectors on these wires that'll just plug right into this. Just a couple spade connectors, it looks like. Alright, got the tether switch installed. This is what it looks like from underneath. I just put the two connectors in here, then wrapped it with tape. And I just used a couple washers here to get the right spacing, because you have to, you know, have the right tension on this rubber piece here. So let's try it out. And it works. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll be doing some more work on this thing. Alright, thanks for watching.